Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this amazing Mogodu recipe. If you're new here, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So first I'm going to show you guys how to clean the tripe, and my trick is I always add vinegar into my water. This just reduces the amount of flies that tend to visit you when you are cooking this meal. So basically I'm just going to add all the tripe into the sink, and then I'm going to be in the process I'm just actually rinsing off anything that contained the Mogodu, just to make sure that I don't have any flies lying around. So I've also got I've finished washing the Mogodu now. You can see that the water is somewhat clearer, and that's the way that we want it to be, and I'm just going to cut that into smaller pieces. So I'm going to be preparing the recipe inside a pressure cooker. I just find that it works much quicker in terms of cooking time, but you're more than welcome to follow this recipe if you're cooking it outside or in a pot on top of the stove. So I'm just taking the tripe and I've just basically cut it into smaller pieces, and then I'm adding it into the pressure cooker, and then I've sliced up one onion, basically just chopped it in half and then just sliced it, and you won't see this onion in the Mogodu when it's done, but it really works well. It gives it an amazing taste. And then I'm just adding some turmeric to that to give it a vibrant yellow color, and then I'm just seasoning it with some salt. You can add as much or as little as you want, and then I'm going to be adding some crushed garlic. If you don't have this crushed garlic salt, you can add minced garlic. It will work perfectly fine. And I'm just giving that a mix just to distribute all the spices that we just added. And then our last final ingredient will be the Raja medium curry. It just gives it a better taste, but you can use whichever curry powder that you have on hand. And I'm just going to add that into the pressure cooker, and then we're just going to give that a mix. So I'm also going to be adding my water, and then like I said, we're going to give it a mix just to distribute all the flavors of the seasonings into the tripe. Okay, next I'm just going to select the set point that I need on my pressure cooker. So mine will cook on the meat setting for 20 minutes. If you've got a different pressure cooker, you can use whichever one that you have on hand. So after 20 minutes, I'm just depressurizing the pressure cooker and releasing the air from the lid, and then I've just opened to look at what my Mogodu looks like inside. From this point I can already tell it is not yet prepared, it's not done yet, because not the oil or the fat of the Mogodu has not fully cooked through. When it has cooked through, it tends to turn orange, so we haven't reached that stage yet. So I'm just going to give it a mix, and then I'm going to pop it back into my pressure cooker for another 20 minutes, and then after that 20 minutes I'm going to check up on it and see how it's doing. So this is what it looks like after 20 minutes, and you can see that it has turned into this amazing dark orange color. And then so you can also check with a piece of Mogodu just to verify if it's fully cooked and cooked properly. So I've also just added some corn flour mix to this. Is just to thicken up the gravy. You can add whichever soup packet you've got. I recommend brown onion. I also recommend cream of tomato, and I've just garnished mine with some coriander and a little bit of peperdews just to give it a nice red color. And that is it for this recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you're going to prepare this Mogodu and enjoy it as much as I did. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Thank you and goodbye.